Our planet is a living, moving energy system that is undergoing a radical redefinition. This is a brand new vibrational harmonic that can be described as a crystalline frequency that is taking all of us into the faster light velocities of higher dimension. We are undergoing a metamorphic process of solar-empowered alchemy that is shifting our carbon-based bodies into a more finely tuned silicon crystal system to realize a much greater human potential. This awakening of crystal vibration in both the Earth and our human biofield creates major transformation in every aspect of our life and in our relationship to the world. Open the seal of encodement and recode and reprogram your energetic matrix. Activate your body of light. Connect more of your higher dimensional circuitry. Recode the DNA and activate dormant DNA substance. Build a stronger life force energy field. From this greater activation, you are accelerating the flows of divine love and intelligence into the physical form to rebirth your human.